Hey everyone, welcome to Taskmagic, a tool that lets us automate processes right in our browser. Got it? All this without needing to code or rack your brain too much. The automations seem to be ready to go. It reminds me a bit of Zapier. It could even replace Zapier, since, well, Zapier works pretty much the same way, right? It's an automation tool, but the difference is it's super easy to use. We've got looping, unlimited automations, workspaces, web scraping, custom steps, unlimited tasks, webhooks, AI recommended workspaces, templates, Google Sheets, and tags and permission. Here we have some reviews like from AppSumo saying it's a solid platform. We can start for free, so let's give it a try and, well, we can access Taskmagic. So yeah, it's that simple. Alright, let's say we want to connect ChatGPT or Claude to Taskmagic. It's as simple as going to the AI section, okay? Here, we'd basically enable ChatGPT and Anthropic, right? That's Claude. It's that easy. Just hit enable and they'll ask for the API key. How do we get the API? We just search for ChatGPT API and Anthropic API. That's it. Got it? It's literally the first option, okay? Click start building and it'll pop up. Same for ChatGPT. Then we just enter the code. Important. Don't share this code with anyone, alright? Now we can start using our Taskmagic. Alright, how do we create our first flow, our first task in Taskmagic? Well, we simply click here on new flow. We can use a template, which I think would be ideal, okay? Let me explain a bit. Look, this one lets us write SEO articles with ChatGPT in WordPress. So how does it work basically? Like most of these processes we have, see, if I hover over it, we get the trigger name. This starts the process. Here we extract from Google Sheets and query ChatGPT. Here's the question. It uses the variable from row A, okay? Then row B's variable, which I assume is in their setup. So there are various settings like the max output tokens, which is 2048 characters, 0.9 or words, sorry, 0.9 temperature. There we have the defined role, system role, content. You're a helper, right? A useful assistant. Then we have code, loops, even storage and all that, okay? This isn't how we'd create our first project, right? But since each job varies, first review the SEO article templates, okay? How to send a ChatGPT welcome email with MailChimp and such. Got it? Once you've seen the workspaces, create a new job from scratch, alright? As you see, I can't show you now, but it's doable, okay? Alright, let's check out Taskmagic's pricing plans, shall we? We've seen a bit of the platform, but it won't let me see the rest. So let's click on upgrade and, well, prices start at $30 a month. That's quite steep for automation services. We get unlimited apps, workflows, steps, workspaces, and more. For $50 a month, what else could they offer? Everything's in apps, meaning app plus browser functionality. Oh boy. Records, clicks and types, app plus recording, 15 hours of use. Only 15 hours for $50. That's crazy. It's really pricey, isn't it? Let's check out the pricing page. There's the pricing Trustpilot review. Let's see if there are any. There aren't any. Why? Why not? Taskmagic. Wow. No reviews on G2 either. It's on AppSumo, but seems too good to be true. It seems pricey to me, doesn't it? People have really liked it. Well, some folks complain, but there's no major backlash. Look, I'll say it again, it seems expensive for what the automation offers. It's true we haven't seen its full potential, since I can't create a flow, you know? It's true that it's interesting to see it'd be cool to see how screen recording works to execute workflows based on that. I mean, it could be interesting, I'm not denying that. I know it works differently than, say, N8N and such, but since they don't let you test browser automation, the best part, I can't comment. So yeah, I think it's expensive. I think $50 a month, I think, plus you'll pay for ChatGPT, Claudio, or whatever else. It's just too much, sorry. So that's it. That's my review.